Apologies for the interruption here on Channel 4, but we've had to halt programming due to a national emergency. Please stand by for further information, and we'll be with you shortly. You're now watching Channel 4. Please listen carefully, as this broadcast will contain important information. Channel 4 is transmitting this emergency broadcast to inform our viewers of a severe weather threat. Without further ado, the warning is as followed. A red weather warning has been issued by Her Majesty's Government for the following areas: Yorkshire, Lincolnshire, Oxfordshire, Cumbria, Lancashire and Buckinghamshire. If you are in these areas or counties, you must evacuate right away. Not doing so will pose a major risk to your life. A tornado is highly predicted to form within the next day or so across the stated areas and counties. You must prepare for a potential weather disaster regardless of your location or county. This is not a drill nor a test. Despite tornadoes being extremely uncommon, it's still not unlikely that a weather disaster as such may form. If you are unable to evacuate, you must take immediate shelter. It's advised you seek refuge in a sturdy and secure place. If you have a basement or underground bunker, these are the safest places to stay during a weather disaster. Expect to stay there for some time. Exiting your shelter will potentially expose you to a tornado, which poses a great risk to your life and safety as a result. Tornadoes are rotating pieces of clouds that have the ability to pick up any object or organism regardless of their sturdiness or strength. Mass damage and destruction can be caused by tornadoes and can vary depending on the severity or size of them. As a result, being underground increases the chance of survival by a large %. You should consider taking shelter underground if it's possible. Once the tornado has cleared, this emergency broadcast shall sound an all-clear siren. This will alert you that it's safe to exit your shelter. Once you exit your shelter, you are free to clear any damage or debris caused by the tornado. This broadcast shall continue to air so you can remain up to date with the latest information. For now, remain calm and stay safe. Oh God, you've got to be kidding me. A gigantic tornado has formed and is currently rapidly spreading through Yorkshire. Multiple buildings and areas are seen to be destroyed already as we speak. If you're in said area, this cannot be stressed enough. You must proceed to evacuate right away or face a high risk of death or severe injury. While tornadoes are extremely uncommon in our country, their threat cannot be underestimated. You absolutely must take this instance seriously. At worst, it's expected that this tornado will last for a couple of hours. Regardless, it's almost now too late for you to seek shelter. If you haven't already, consider doing so now. That's all we have to share at the moment. For now, please stay tuned and take shelter right away if you haven't already.